Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be building a loft out in the shop, storage loft. Get a bunch of stuff off the floor, that small stuff that doesn't need to be on the floor. Can be up in the storage area. Stuff that I want to hang on to. I'll probably clean out a bunch of stuff too, get rid of a bunch of stuff. But this is just stuff that doesn't really have a home on the floor. We're gonna make some more floor space for more junk. But yeah, here's the video. It's not real long. I did set up a time-lapse camera, but I've never really shot time-lapse before, so it didn't work. Surprise, surprise. I got about 2 minutes of me moving a few things around in the shop at the very beginning, and then nothing. So I did take breaks and give updates, but actual building it, I didn't get any footage of that. So sorry about it, but stick around to the end. Like I said, it's not a long video, and please hit that like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, I'm just going to document here a little bit of what we got going on. I got some stuff moved out of the way. We're getting ready to put I guess called a header board right across up there. Here's our header board. We've got the hangers already put on it. It's got the length. I just need to drill a couple holes on each end so I can lag it into the post on each end. So that's a little bit of an update. Like I said, I kind of cleared out, made a little area back here where we can get back in there. So yeah, I'm gonna get these holes drilled and that thing up in place and lagged in place, and we'll show you how it looks. Alright, y'all, we got the second header. I guess you'd call it a header. It's in place. It still needs leveled. See my level sitting up there, but I can't do it by myself. I can't get it up level and lag it in to the post back there in the corner. I have to wait for my help to show up to do that. I've got one joist temporarily in place to get me my distance from the back wall out, and then just a temporary post right here just to hold level. We'll be putting a 4x6 out here, running all the way from up in the ceiling down, lagged into the floor, but it's coming along. So yeah, I got a lot done today by myself, just a few hours to work. So my help will be showing up, and we'll get more of it done. So all right, once we get some more progress, we'll bring you guys back. All right, y'all, my help showed up, and we got it all done, and we actually got a bunch of stuff up there already. They helped me get a bunch of it up there, and we actually made a whole bunch of room. Got a bunch of that stuff off the floor. I still got some stuff to move around, but yeah, it's gonna be nice. More room for fun activities. So now there's still some stuff that I want to put up there in the spring, summer, when I can get the garage doors open and get stuff moved around in the shop. But yeah, it turned out real nice. Got the plywood up on there, like I said, and it's looking great. Alright, y'all, that's going to do it for this video. I just want to say thank you to Danny and April, my brother. They come over the last day here and helped me finish it off. get a bunch of stuff put up into storage. We got a lot more floor space. You know, stuff that didn't need to be down on the floor and stuff. Got it up in the loft, so a lot more room for more junk. So appreciate y'all. Hope you stuck around to the end. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, this ain't normal content, but it's something that needed done. It took me roughly on and off 4 days, a couple hours here and there. The last day was like a 6-hour day. Totally finished it off. I still got a couple more hours moving stuff around and putting it in its final home, but you know, we're gonna be done. So and then we'll be back on monkey business. So again, appreciate y'all, love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.